Question 10 says, let P of t denote the profit made by a company when $t are invested in advertising. The marginal profit is dP over dt. Explain the meaning of dP over dt in practical terms. So for part A, dP over dt, this is the additional profit expected if one more dollar is invested in advertising. So that's part A. Part B says, if the marginal profit is positive, should you invest more or less money in advertising, and explain? You would actually want to invest more. This is because if dP over dt is positive, then the function p is increasing. So if it's increasing, if you continue on, you're going to kind of travel along that function where it's increasing, and it's going to, the profit that is going to keep rising. So more money will cause the profits to rise. With part C, it's a very similar question. It just says, if the marginal profit is negative, should you invest more or less money in advertising, and explain why? So this would be just the opposite. You should invest less money because if dP over dt is negative, then the function p is actually decreasing. So if the function is going down, if you continue along that function, then it's going to continue to decrease. So actually you want to go backwards if it's decreasing. So in this case, less money will cause the profits to rise because you want to go backwards. So these last couple questions, again, a lot of definitions with marginal cost, marginal profit. So definitely kind of an interesting application of this rate of change.